It is July, it is very much feeling like summer with this never-ending heat wave, and it's time for my seasonal newsletter. For the summer, I'm making something light and easy. These are our key lime pie poppers. It's very simple with only 5 ingredients needed. The prep time is maybe 10 to 15 minutes and then about an hour or 2 to freeze. We start with whipped cream cheese, and we use whipped because it makes the process a lot easier. But even though it's whipped, we still use our whisk for a few minutes to even it out to make incorporating the other ingredients less complicated. So here we use an entire container, which is 8 ounces. After whisking for a while, we add our 1/3 cup of sugar and mix that until it's combined. Next is our lime juice. The recipe calls for key lime juice, and we have always used this brand, the Nellie and Joe's Key West lime juice. The recipe calls for 4 ounces of lime juice, but to be honest, you may need a little less than that. They came out a little tart, so if you're not really someone who enjoys that, using a little bit less than the 4 ounces may be the good way to go. We mix that together, and now it is time for the Cool Whip. We're using a full 8-ounce container that sat out to thaw before we added it to our mixture. And that's it. That is our ingredients. We kept mixing for a while until we had this smooth, even texture. All that's left to do is add the mixture to the phyllo cups. We used 2 boxes of the Athens brand, which had 15 baked shells, and we still had plenty of whip left over. So it will yield 3 or even 4 full boxes, depending on how much you fill each one. My dad loves to fill them the whole way up to get more mixture per bite. And your final step is to pop that in the freezer and wait for about an hour or so, or until the mixture is solidified. For parties and barbecues, just pull them out and they will quickly start to thaw, so it does not take a lot of time between freezing and serving. They were delicious as always and are a staple at our family barbecues. So let me know if you make this recipe this year and what you thought. Happy summer!